Telling time. Humans have used different objects to tell time. In the beginning, they used an hourglass. This is a cylindrical glass with a narrow center which allows sand to flow from its upper to its lower portion. Once all the sand has trickled to the lower portion, one knows that an hour has passed. Using the same idea, water clocks were constructed to measure time by having water flow through a narrow passage from one container to another. On the other hand, sundials allow people to estimate an hour by looking at the position of the shadow by sun on a plate. At night, people measured the time by checking the alignment of the stars in the sky. None of these were accurate, though the clock was the first accurate instrument for telling time. Counting the hours. When men decided to divide the day into 24 hours, they used numbers 1 through 12 two times. As a result, there was 1 o'clock during the day and another 1 o'clock after midnight. This created confusion. If one was told to submit a project at 6 o'clock, did this mean 6 o'clock in the morning or at night? The Romans provided a solution to this problem. They thought that noontime, the time when the sun is at its apex, is an important time. They called noon meridis and measured time by this. They called the morning antimeridiem, which means before noon, while afternoon was called postmeridiem. Antimeridiem was shortened to AM, while postmeridiem was shortened to PM. Nosebleeds. Having a nosebleed is a common occurrence. Children experience epistaxis when blood flows out from either or both nostrils. Often, for a short period of time, they may be caused by one's behavior, like frequent nose picking or blowing too hard when one has a cold. It may also be caused by certain physical factors such as an allergy or abnormal growth in the nasal cavity. Or it may be due to environmental conditions such as exposure to toxic fumes or dryness of the air. While it is often, though, that holding one's head back can treat nosebleed, this can actually cause one to choke or vomit. The best thing to do is to lean forward, pinch the top of your nose, and apply a cold compress. And if this doesn't work, it's best to get professional help. Thank you.